Hey guys, here's a few simple ways you can upgrade your laundry area. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So in this renovation, we did the kitchen and the main floor. We already had laundry here, but the configuration was a little bit differently. We had your classic kind of top access washer dryer sitting here. They were quite low to the ground, difficult to access. So the new washer dryer now have the pedestal, which is great for storage below. It also raises the height up, so access into the washer and dryer is far more convenient, not bending over as much. Also, we've added some additional storage up top here in these nice tall cabinets. So easy access to the things on the lower cabinets, and then ample storage up top to store those things you don't need as often. So we didn't have to do a major overhaul of the space. The washer dryer were already here. It's just a matter of reconfiguring the layout a little bit to optimize storage and ease of access. If you have any questions about your renovation, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great one.